Northwest Survivor here with a flashlight review. This is a review on the Lux-Pro LP130 keychain model. UPC number is 81246-011303. It's a focusing light, comes with a carabiner. Good for hooking on most loops, backpacks, belt loops, keychains. It's a focusing beam, so you just move that in and out, it'll focus it. Comes in black, blue, green, pink, and red. Retails for $5.99. I picked this one up for $3.19 at one of my local stores. I've had pretty good luck with the Lux Pros that I've purchased. I own 3 or 4 of them, and that's why I picked this one up. Battery life has always been good on them. There's nothing worse than buying a flashlight and you put some batteries in, you use it a few times, and those batteries are gone. These Lux Pros, they are made in China, but they've performed pretty good for me. Like I said, I've got several of them in different packs that I have, and now I've added this keychain model one. Let's get into some specs of this thing. Produces 60 lumens at its brightest. Beam distance is 5 meters or 15 feet. Has an impact resistance of 3 meters or 3 feet. Run time is 25 hours. It's weather resistant to IP4. Weight comes in at about 6 ounces. Batteries, it uses 4 LR44s. Its width is a 1/2 inch. Its length is a 1/2 inch, and its height is 2 inches. Now these batteries, replacing them, you can usually find them online if you buy them in a 20 pack for around 30 cents each. So that's about, I don't know, $6 for a pack of 20. Let's see if we can give you a little demonstration of brightness here of this thing. So that's on the focused beam. Here's the flood. Back to the focus. It's got a little push button for on and off. Very deliberate, makes a click when you engage it. Let's see if you can see here. And the Lux-Pro brand mark, and it's the LP130. This is just the initial review. I'll put this thing on my keychain and we'll use it for a couple months, and I'll come back and tell you what I think later. Okay, thank you.